Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Wallet and me, where financial wisdom matters. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about this article that came out from the street claiming that Jack Ma is not missing, but he's rather found, and also the stock price has gone up, but after market is doing something else. So I'm going to share that with you guys right now in a little bit. So let's get right into it. Okay guys, according to this article, Alibaba shares leap after CNBC reports billionaire founder Jack Ma is not missing. Yesterday I broke out the news that he was missing because he hasn't been showing up on his Twitter account, he hasn't been showing up on his own show, and he just hasn't been showing up at all physically. Nobody has seen him around since last October, November, and so everybody was thinking, where is Jack Ma? Which is a very valid point. But today, according to this article, I watched the CNBC break on this, and they said that he is not missing, he's actually found, and that he's just lying low. He doesn't want to get in the public eye and into the image of the government right now because he's been outspoken for speaking against the government of China. And according to this article, it says shares traded higher Tuesday amid reports that the co-founder of Asia's most valuable tech company, Jack Ma, is not missing after allegedly falling out of favor with China's leadership. CNBC's David Faber, however, reported Tuesday that Ma is not missing in the sense that his location is unknown, but is rather lying low in terms of his public appearances in the hope that he can ride out the current government backlash. He's not missing, Faber said. I haven't seen Jack Ma in quite some time, but I have interviewed him many times. But what I can tell you is that he's very likely in Hangzhou, where Alibaba is headquartered, and is being less visible purposefully. But that doesn't mean that he's missing. But he didn't provide any kind of evidence or any source to back up his statement. He hasn't shown any evidence to show that Alibaba's founder, Jack Ma, is actually alive or well, or what is going on with him. And according to this article, it sent the stock price higher today, around 12%. But after the market closed, the shares have been sliding back down. We might anticipate another negative news on this stock. This stock has been getting a tremendous amount of negative news in the last couple of months, sending the stock down tremendously over the last few months, and it's been trading volatile, and it just gives a lot of opportunity for people who want to get in on the low, because there's still a lot of opportunity on this stock, I believe, and I think that this stock is going to be going up higher from here because it's undervalued, even though right now it's under bearish territory because it has dropped down over 20% over the last few months. But I still believe that this stock is undervalued. So let's go take a look at the stock price right now. According to Yahoo Finance, it last closed $240.40, and it went up $12.55 or 5.51%. But after the market closed, the stock has been going down $4.11 or 1.71%. And you can see here that the stock has been trying to reach that resistance level of the 20-day moving average of 243.55. It's struggling to do that, but it is going up there and it's trying. And according to this, the RSI strength right now is around 43, which is good. It's turning around. You can see here the money flow, the MACD is negative, but it's still trying to go back up. The RSI strength is trying to go back up. And again, there's so much bearish news on this stock that eventually it will go back up. In my opinion, I believe it will go back up because it is undervalued and this company is very, very strong. But right now it needs to just pass all these hurdles for it to get a little break. And like I said earlier, if we pass this resistance level of 243, then the next stop would be possibly around the 261 and maybe even the 277 range. And that would also pass the 50-day moving average of $268.97. And if that happens, then we should start seeing the stock go back up again, unless it sees more negative news, which it has been seeing lately. But the momentum has been very good. It's been going up. But if it doesn't go up, and if we continue to get more negative news and it just keeps going down further from here, then unfortunately we might see the stock go back down to around 217 and possibly test the 200 level, which I don't anticipate seeing. But if you do, jump on it and buy some, because that would be a great discount from where we are right now. I picked up some of these shares when it dropped around 225, when it dropped right around here, because I saw that this stock was oversold, and I thought it would be a very good opportunity for me to get some shares right here. And it has done well so far. It has jumped up again. I'm a long-term investor, so I'm holding this for at least a couple of years. If nothing else happens, if no major trend or major economic collapse happens on this stock, I'm holding this on for the long term. And I'm hoping that this stock will continue to rise further from here. We're just buying it at discounts. And so that's my opinion. That's what I'm doing for me personally. And I think that you guys should do the same thing if you guys are a long-term investor. So guys, that's my hold for this, and that's my call on this stock right now. I believe that we should be getting some more positive news. Hopefully Jack Ma is found, even though it doesn't matter whether he is found or not. He's not the CEO of this company anymore. But no matter what kind of news he brings, he is one of the founders, and he does have some strong influence there because he is a billionaire and he does play a big role in that market. So guys, that's all I have for you. Please let me know if you have more information about him, whether he's found or not found, or if that even makes a difference at all. Just let me know in your comment section down below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, like this video, comment, subscribe. And I appreciate all of you out there. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.